What's up, guys? ThatKidRBM back again with another video. So today we're gonna be installing the full pressure HUD struts again on Samuel, okay? We're gonna be installing the full pressure hood struts on Samuel's car. So I wanted to make this new video because I have new hardware for the hood struts and I have an easier and a new way to install them. So what we're gonna do after Angel eats his McChicken, what are you eating?
No, that's wrong.
After Angel finishes his food, I'm gonna hand the camera over to him, and then we're gonna install the same hood struts that I sell on Samuel's new car. Samuel, talk to them about your car.
Oh, yeah. Yo, that side is nasty, right? Look at the side. Look
at the side, bro. You can barely see because the light. Damn, we got a custom window for weight reduction. Yo, nah, but we're talking shit. But yeah, so let me get that shit going, and then we're gonna continue the video. All right, guys. So right here we have the two hood struts. So now I'm labeling them driver side and passenger side right on the plastic. The only reason they're labeled is because the position of the sticker. So this sticker is up facing this way, so we're gonna put this one on the driver's side, and then the sticker for the other one is facing the opposite way, so we're gonna put it on the passenger side. Also, we still include the same hardware. It's labeled left and right. So Angel, if you wanna come over here and look at it. So these are the hardwares that go on the hood hinge up here, and the other one goes in the circle right there. And then the new hardware, we have 4mm axle nuts and then 10mm nuts on the back. So what we're gonna do first, once we have everything put together, same tools that we had last time. So we have the electric ratchet or your normal ratchet with a 10mm socket. This is gonna be to take off the top bolt for the hood and then to tighten the bottom nut for the hardware. And then we also have the 4mm, like I said, to tighten the hardware as well. And this video, we're not going to be cutting anything because Samuel doesn't have the plastics on the side. But if you guys check out the last video that I did, we showed you guys where to exactly cut if you do keep the side plastics on the engine bay. So Samuel's already getting started over there. So Samuel, I mean, I can just do it, bro. So Angel, you want to come over here so they can see? All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is take off the 10mm up top right here. And we still have the hood being held up by the other hood strut. If you want to show them right there.
So part of the video that we recorded got corrupted, so I'm going to insert the old install video just for the top bolt that attaches the hood hinge to the hood. I wanted to get this video out for you guys, so enjoy this old clip from the old video, and then I'll continue with the rest of the install.
So like I said, these two brackets, both labeled L, are identical for the top and the bottom. So we're gonna see how we put it on right here. We see that the piece is facing this way. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mirror that. What I want to do is I want to line this up right there. We're not going to fully tighten this down yet, just because we're going to want to adjust it once the strut and the other one is on the car. But what I like to do is put that over right here and then slip the bolt back there, let it catch a couple threads just so we're not stripping anything. But ideally, when we go to tighten this down, we want the bracket to be flush with the hood hinge right there. But since we're not gonna be adjusting it perfectly right now, we just want it in a general spot right there. So let's put this to tighten, hold it with our other hand. All right, so trying to get this as even as possible right there. Like I said, we don't have to fully tighten it now. Once we put the strut on it, we'll be able to more accurately see the placement of everything. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing with the bottom right here. Either you can put it under this or over it. I typically go under it so you don't see it, under the radiator cover. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab one of the hardwares right here. So I'm gonna grab one of the hardwares from the baggie. Just take off the 10mm nut at the bottom, hold it in one hand, and then we have the ratchet right here as well, or the wrench. So let me go right here. Look, yo tengo frío, bro. It's so cold, bro. So right there, we're gonna put the hardware upside down. We're gonna head over here, grab the hardware included, and then just be careful when you grab the 10 millimeter right there. I'm trying not to let it fall. My hands are freezing right now. I think I got it.
You like the shop like this nigga have?
What?
You like the shop?
I like this. I like the what do you call that? The bubble wrap in the engine bay. Okay, so I'm gonna just get it started with my finger first. I don't want to over tighten it because you don't want to break the plastic, but right there is good. Just grab the 10 and then you could grab the ratchet, but we're gonna leave it like that for now. So once you have both top and bottom hardware installed, you can start to grab the hood struts. So this one is for the driver's side. So Angel, if you want to come over here on this side. So we like to start off on top, so you want to put the light right here. So now we're gonna be keeping the clip on the strut. So all you got to do now is put this right here and push it that way into place. Same thing for the bottom one. Put the hood down a little bit until it's lined up. Same exact thing. Push it, and that's it. So as you guys can see, the hood stays up with one hood strut. We're obviously gonna put the second one on, but some people, I've seen that they've ran just one of the hood struts. But we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, then we're gonna show you how everything is done. Okay guys, we installed the other side now. Angel, dale pa acá. Like I said, if you guys are gonna keep the side plastic on, check out my other video. We have a tutorial of how to cut this right there. We just have it on this car right now. And then same thing right over here. So as you guys can see, this is a full pressure hood struts for the metal hoods. I also sell them for carbon fiber hoods. They're half pressured. The next video that I'm gonna do is on a 9th gen Civic. I'm gonna start to make these for 9th gen Civics as well. And then as I go along, I'll make them for other chassis. But for now, this is the new install video for the full pressure hood struts for the metal hoods. I think that's pretty much it. Let me see it, bro. Get okay. Happy customer?
Bro. Hey, tiene que dar un fucking tip. Tú tienes que dar un tip. Porque, bro, vino Iron Big con frío.
Bro, it's cold. It's like 20 degrees, 30 degrees right now. But now we finished it. It's all good to go. But yeah, ThatKidRBM, Angel, Samuel, Justin Bieber, El Ninja. But thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one when we do it on a 9th gen. But yeah, see you guys.